home?
Yeah, we go home.
Can't you watch this one?
What? Oh no, did we forget to get any for Jordan?
This one is
Hi, today one was fine. Why the crazy storm? Because I can't see. No. Look at everybody. Today is the Sunday. Oh my god. Night 10, always crazy. I haven't had a crazy storm night 10. The storm here. By tornado morning is today. But it's scary, I know. This crazy storm, guys. Oh, hold on. This cloud is similar today. Listen. I think so. Not today. Oh, let's talk about the video. I will show one thing about this video. So, let's first. Guys, this quiz is done. Today's tornado morning. Oh, always. Sorry guys, this crazy cloud blew up to death. For dozen years, about non-10 America. Woo. So thank you for watching. I want to see something. But already. So. So, thank you for watching. Please comment down below what happened. So, see you next time. Bye. Oh, where's the tornado?
Just lives over the city of Toronto, but now York, Durham, at least parts of those regions under a severe thunderstorm warning at this time. Now, as I say, these storm cells, of course, are producing lightning and thunder at this time. That's indicated as the icon at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Still under a warning for severe thunderstorms for areas just to our slight west, to our slight north, and into Oshawa through Scarborough as well to our slight east. Now, we're looking at particular characteristics within this one cell, hence why this tornado warning is issued for us. Thunderstorms are already occurring, but these particular storm cells within are likely to produce and or, not confirmed, are producing characteristics of tornadoes at this time. What does this mean? Go indoors to a room to the lowest floor in the
So, I thought this is a cup mixing the same one to video Kansas City. Kansas City, but not chaos one. But look at this. Look where this happened. I've been non-tap since 5 years ago, maybe. But Toronto is the worst. But I'm not here, Toronto. I'm not Toronto. But we keep a Toronto available. Don't worry, this can be sunny. We cancel cloudy whole week. No.
Patricia, thank Okay, let's take a live look at the roads right now. This is the 401 in Yorkdale. This
This is so crazy. Maybe you see everybody see the storm. Thank you guys so much. Please comment with the channel to know what we do request. Bye.
One is Let's see. This one is
Be happy. Okay.
This one is Thank you. This one is
What? Oh no, did we forget to get any